Welcome to part 2 of 3 of the machine assembly series, Assembling the Stand. In this video, you will learn how to assemble the heavy-duty steel stand that's included with your machine. Before setting up the machine, you'll need to first assemble the stand if you plan on using it to hold your machine. If you don't plan on using the stand, make sure your machine is placed on a sturdy table with enough space for the projects you plan to run. We always recommend using the stand since it's designed to hold the weight of your machine and keep the machine in place. In your package, you should find all the parts and tools you'll need to assemble the stand. Let's take a look at everything we will be using. Racoma connecting plates, hex head screws, lock washers, casters, level pegs, stand columns, 6mm Allen wrench, 10mm Allen wrench, and the open end wrench. Once you've made sure you have all the tools to assemble the stand, let's start by taking the 2 main stand columns and removing the bubble wrap. You'll be assembling the stand upside down, so place the 2 main stand columns parallel to each other with the column feet facing up. Next, take 1 Racoma connecting plate and turn it upside down. You should see the Racoma logo upside down. Now we're going to attach the plate in between the 2 main stand columns. To attach the plate, insert a lock washer followed by a washer onto a hex head screw. Then insert the hex head screw. Last, grab the 6mm Allen wrench and tighten the bolt, making sure it's secure. Repeat this process with the remaining plate on the opposite side of the stand. Next, remove the protective cover on the caster's screw and fasten the caster to its corresponding slot, which can be found on the flat column that connects the stand legs to each other. After rotating the caster clockwise, secure the hex nut using the provided open end wrench. Last, repeat these steps for the remaining 3 casters. Next, we're going to attach the level pegs to the feet of each stand column. To do so, attach the level pegs as shown, rotating them clockwise. Secure the hex nut using the open end wrench. Repeat these steps with the remaining stand legs. Once all of the pegs and wheels are in place, turn the stand right side up. Now place the machine on the stand, making sure the holes on the machine's feet are aligned with the holes on the stand. Last, we're going to secure the machine to the stand using our large hex head screws. Insert and secure each screw into its corresponding slot, which can be found on the stand columns directly aligned under the machine. Before proceeding to part 3, setting up your machine, remove the clear plastic cover from your machine to make sure there are no visual damages. To do so, first remove the instructions attached to the control panel and use scissors to cut the tape and plastic cover. Be sure to remove the film from the screen after removing the plastic cover. Last, unwrap the machine head. Thank you for watching part 2 of the machine assembly series, Assembling the Stand. You're now ready to move on to part 3, setting up your machine. See you there!